Hello, you're 12. I think the questions I've set you have got, they're mostly fairly straightforward on momentum. There is just this one, and this question too. Different styles of this question come up quite a lot. The way I've done this is I've just thought of the hose pipe. So you've got a tube there, we'll call that L, and it's got an area there. We know the area. Okay, so that's basically the shape of the water. This cylinder is the shape of the water leaving the hose pipe every second. So every second this length here of water leaves the hose pipe. So if we say speed, which is distance per second, that's really just the distance it travels per second, L per second, is going to be, in this case it's going to be the volume divided by the area, because volume equals area times length. Yeah, so the volume of all this lot equals the area times the length. If we want to find the length, we need the volume per second, and we need to divide that by the area. Okay. Once you've done that, we need to know the mass, because momentum is mass. So we need the mass per second now. So the mass per second is going to equal, well, we know the density and we know the volume. So that is equal to, we know that density equals mass divided by volume. So if we rearrange, we've got mass equals density times volume, and then we can calculate that, and we've got the mass per second, and finally the momentum. So we'll get the momentum equals mv. We found m here, and we've found velocity there, speed or velocity there. So we can put the two numbers in together, and they come to 0.2 times 0.28 equals, and that gives you your answer, which should be B. I think the rest of the questions are all okay just by looking at the mark scheme. Be careful describing what elastic and inelastic collisions are. This one here, this one, which is question 1B2, is pretty straightforward, I think. It's just we've done lots of examples of those. Just be careful with your wording with the inelastic collisions, kinetic energy and so on. Okay, hope it's all going well. Thank you. Bye-bye.